Guys, Raining Kimono here. So, on Halloween night, I was pretty much screaming in an aisle at the store. I was like, oh my gosh, 75% off of these Bounty paper towels. I have been obsessed with these massive rolls for a really long time, and my secret manifested into a massive deal for me. And I am like, oh, so excited by this. If you know, for a lot of us old school couponers, paper products is something that we're always looking for. And at 75% off, this is definitely one of these. I would try and make it happen. The store is Meijer Grocery Store, which is predominantly in the Midwest. No sister store. However, if you have a Shaw's, a Wegmans, an Albertsons, one of those stores, and they were selling this exact product, which is a 4-in-1 paper towel, it is not selling well with customers. They've merchandised it in the most weird places in the store. And here it's 75% off, which is crazy. I'm going to show you the UPC, whatever store you're in. If you've been like, hey, I remember seeing those, open up the app and get a price check or bring it to a price scanner. Most grocery stores have price scanners in them. And if it rings up 75, 80% off, pull the trigger, guys. This is extreme couponing. I mean, we haven't seen Bounty at 75% off. I haven't in years. I would totally make this happen. Where they merchandised it at my Meijer grocery store, and I saw this at many stores, was in a pet food aisle on an end cap. So where they have all those lint rollers, they had them there, they had them near the cat litter, like any place where there be messes. You would think that with summer camping and tailgating in the fall, they would put them in the regular paper towel aisle, like a novelty item for people, but no. So it's just with the pet stuff. That's where I would look. And you have to do this specifically in store as well. So the original price is $5.19. At my store, they were priced for $5.49, which is interesting. And I have seen them slowly on clearance, and I did pick one up when they were $3 and some change because I was just mesmerized by these massive rolls. Anyhow, they're $1.29 and also part of the 10 off of 50. Now, is this really worth it to you? Is this just a marketing gimmick? So this is a regular paper towel on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, it's the 4=1, which is the big beefy rolls. Well, I have been using these for about the last 2 weeks, the 4=1, the megas. And just to show you the difference, it is totally, totally worth it. You're getting a ton of paper towel. And if you look at the brass tacks of the math, it's $1.29 divided by 4. So it's 32 cents per roll. These last us like at least about a week and a half, close to 2 weeks. We do have a lot of cats here, so we do go through a lot of paper towel. And my husband was like, the greatest thing about this is that I don't have to keep refilling it every other day because he goes through quite a bit of paper towel. So we love it. And initially when he saw it, he didn't even think it was he thought I bought it at Sam's Club or Costco. I'm like, nope. Got it at Meijer. So I was so excited by this. So as stated earlier, guys, we have this coupon, which is a 10 off of 50. Obviously, if you find 2 of them and you just want to buy them at $1.29 each, go for that. But if you might have this and you want to do a $50 basket, yes, it is attaching. So I'm going to walk through what I did last night. I grabbed 16 of these rolls, and no, I did not clear the shelf. There was still a bunch left. And then I also grabbed, again, dryer sheets, a detergent, and a liquid, because each of those products have a $3 digital. Unfortunately, our paper towel didn't, but I really wanted to grab a lot of that. 16 is a lot. So I loaded the following digital coupons. It's a $3 off of each, along with the 10 off of 50. Just to show you the receipt, we have our 3 Gain laundry products with the $3 coming off, and then my 16 paper towels for $20.64. And so the final total was, I'm going to just subtract the tax, $31.61 plus tax. So that is for 19 products. So, I mean, I made it like $1.66 each if you're looking at it that way. To pay $1.29 for those paper towels, an unheard of price. I know a lot of us love to stock up on paper products. Again, if you have a Meijer grocery store, it's definitely worth walking down that pet aisle. Is it there? Is it not there? I know a lot of you could not score these 2 = 4 Scots. That was at Office Max or Office Depot earlier in the week. Typically, when couponers see these sort of paper deals, or even staff members at some of these stores, I'm pretty sure it gets cleared very quickly and it's like first come, first serve. I have not seen anyone else post about this deal at the Meijer grocery store for these 4 = 1 bounties. Make it happen. I wish you good luck. Bye, guys.